In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix zero conversions in Google Ads. If you've ever launched a Google Ads campaign only to find that you're gaining zero conversions, you know how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, there might just be a few key adjustments you need to make to turn things around. So let's dive right in and walk through each step carefully. To start with, you'll need to head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to log into your Google Ads account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your account. From this dashboard, locate the campaign section. Click on it to explore the specific campaigns that might be underperforming or showing zero conversions. It's important to accurately check whether your campaign settings align with your business goals here. Next, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This is a crucial step because your target audience and keywords play a pivotal role in driving traffic that actually converts. Make sure your audience settings accurately reflect your desired demographic. Additionally, review your keywords to ensure they align with what your potential customers are searching for. After checking your keywords and audience, it's time to look at your campaign's geographical settings. In the navigation panel on the left, click on Locations. This is where you can review and adjust where your ads are being shown geographically. If your ads are appearing in locations where your products or services aren't available, it might be why conversions are lacking. Within the location settings, you'll see an option for targeted location. This setting allows you to either broaden or narrow the geographical reach of your ads. Depending on your business, you might want the ads to show up in a particular city, region, or country. So make sure this is set correctly to reach the most relevant audience. To wrap it up, getting zero conversions doesn't necessarily mean your campaign is doomed. Many times, a few strategic tweaks can set you on the right path. By carefully analyzing and adjusting settings in Google Ads, you're better equipped to attract and convert the right audience. So, go ahead and apply these tips, and hopefully you'll start seeing those conversions roll in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.